How to navigate UPDF quickly with keyboard shortcuts. Want to navigate UPDF faster? Let's explore the keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and E to open AI tools. Press Ctrl and Z to undo actions. Press Ctrl and D, quickly switch views and check document info and security. Down arrow to scroll down. Up arrow to scroll up. Press Ctrl and N to create a new PDF. Press Ctrl and P to print your PDF. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in. Press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. Press Ctrl and K to open settings. Show smooth workflow, using all shortcuts.